Hello family, how is everyone doing? Hope you're getting ready for the 4th. I know it falls on a weekday, but most of the people are off. So today we're going to do an ice cream cake. We're going to use ice cream sandwiches. I thought that'd be pretty cool and it would be awesome for your 4th of July celebration. All right, let's get started. Here I have an 8-ounce of Cool Whip. I have a 21-ounce can of cherries, fruit filling or topping. Now you can use any flavor you like. I personally like cherry, but they also have strawberry, they have apple, they have peach. And also I got some Fat Boy premium ice cream sandwiches. And I mean, these are pretty big ice cream sandwiches. And since it's just going to be for a couple of us, normally you would do a 9x13 with this recipe, but that is just too much for me and the couple of people that's gonna eat it. So I got these little foil pans, the 7x9 inch times 5.44 inches, W times 1.81 inches wide, I'm assuming. So anyway, I'm going to use this pan here. So I'm going to have to cut my ice cream sandwiches to fit this. Also, you're going to need some saran wrap. So you're going to put the saran wrap down here so when your ice cream cake is frozen, you can easily lift it out. All right, let's get started on this recipe. Okay, I have the ice cream sandwiches out, and the little bitty pan I am using, I'm having to cut the Fat Boys in half. So this is the Fat Boy ice cream sandwich. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut it in half. Now with a 9x13, I do not think you will have to do that, but cut it to fit the size of your pan. And try to make them pretty close, okay? So I'm going to do one more and take it that away. All right, I want you guys to see how I cut the ice cream sandwiches. I have cut the ice cream sandwiches. Now we're going to put our Cool Whip on. So just spread it nicely. Okay, this is kind of sticking. So once we do this, we're going to add our cherries. And then I'm just going to repeat the process with the ice cream sandwiches. And don't worry, you'll be able to bring it up easily because of the plastic paper. Once I show you the cherries. All right, see that? Now let's add the cherries. I also used a different spoon. So let's just kind of put them on there and smash them down. And then we're going to put it in the freezer. All right, you guys get the idea, right? So after this, I'm going to add another layer of ice cream sandwiches. All right, we're going to put it in the freezer for about 4 to 5 hours. Then when I come back, I will show you this wonderful cherry ice cream cake. Okay, I did the repeat of stacking the ice cream sandwiches, the Cool Whip, the cherries, ice cream sandwiches, cherries, and the Cool Whip. So now I'm about to put it in the freezer. I'm going to try to leave mine, I'm going to say anywhere from 6 to 8 hours. If you can freeze it overnight, is even better. All right, so this is how it looks. I'm putting it in the freezer. Then when I come back, you guys will see the final product and presentation.